structures, only the hotel.
Only the hotel. Actually, the architect of Manila Hotel was Dave Burnham.
Yeah.
The one
Who planned the city also, di ba? And Baguio City.
Baguio City.
Burnham.
Burnham.
Ano ang first name?
Daniel Hudson
Daniel.
Burnham.
Yeah. Daniel.
It was during World War.
Yeah. A bomb out.
It was accidentally bombed. Actually, that's where the MacArthur Suite was located.
Hillary Clinton.
The MacArthur is no longer there, right? So he's in the. He left the Philippines earlier, and then there's that famous word that I shall return.
Shall return.
Actually, General Douglas MacArthur lived here for 6 years.
6 years.
Yes, that was from 1935 to 1941. Because he was commissioned by the former Philippine President Manuel L. Quezon to lead the Philippine Army. And one of General's conditions was he be provided with residential. And
Good.
they chose Manila Hotel.
Great.
Those are the